Good evening, everyone. This is David Stevens. The time now is 11 o'clock. I want to give everyone a weather update here on this winter storm coming into the region this weekend here. Now, all of us is under this winter storm warning. Goes in effect tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock and will be with us through early Monday morning at 3 a.m. But the impacts will definitely still be felt on Monday morning. So use caution if you must travel on Monday morning or any time during this weekend. And during a snowstorm slash ice storm, I don't recommend any travel if you can avoid it. Just stay home, spend time with your family and friends, and have a good old time staying at home. But anyway, the National Weather Service is predicting 6 to 13 inches here for Jackson and Lafayette County here. So widespread 4 to 9 inches looks to be a good number. But once you get to the Missouri River and above north of the Missouri River, you could get over a foot of snow in some locations, and then to our south in Johnson County, less than that because you guys are going to get more sleet and freezing rain down there. So I'm going to go ahead and take myself off the screen and show you some more maps. So let's try this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so first thing I want to show you, I'll go ahead and clear this. This will be pretty much a map of all the warnings right now, and zooming in, we're all in pink, so we all have that winter storm warnings. And over here to the east, all this will eventually probably be pink as well. And then this down here, I'm not sure what's going on with the Springfield area, why there's no advisory showing up there, but there should be some kind of advisories down there. And then there is an ice storm warning down there where they could get about an inch of snow. This is showing up to 3/4 of an inch of snow, but it's definitely possible that they could get about an inch of ice. And to the west, the winter storm warning goes all the way through Topeka, Manhattan, and Hayes, and Wichita, so a good part of Kansas and Missouri. I want to start with the accumulation of freezing rain, as that can cause a lot of problems here. So I go ahead and put numbers on the screen for you. There you go. And I'll go ahead and get my tool out. And I think it's not showing any ice for us because it'll be mostly sleet opposed to freezing rain. Now this is just the freezing rain accumulation occurring to this particular model. But if you got to travel down to the lake region, definitely could get about 1/4 of an inch of ice to about 1/2 of an inch. And once you get to 1/2 of an inch of ice, that's when you can really start seeing some problems out there on the power lines. Further east, as you can see, some spots, the computer's predicting a little bit over an inch of ice. So that will definitely cause some devastating problems out in that region. I'm going to go ahead and switch gears and show you the precipitation snowfall here. Now this is a 10-to-1 snow ratio, so 10 inches to every 1 inch of water, precipitable water here. And so it's predicting up to about 20 inches in spots north of the river. So again, this is just a model, so you kind of take that with a grain of salt here. But regardless, they do have a potential of a foot of snow north of the river, with a little lesser amounts for us. Now, this is painting about 10 inches for Odessa and Oak Grove. I'm going to go ahead and see if I got more data in, the newest data. I'm waiting on the newest data to come in, and it's still not fully processed. So, but the last model one, that's how much snow it's showing us. So, Warrensburg, 8.6 inches. Harrisonville about 7, and Clinton about 5, because down here it can get some ice. Let's go ahead and put this into motion here and watch the storm system move in. Now the storm system we're tracking, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to give you an idea of where it's at now and what we're watching. Now we're looking at the west coast. Okay, west coast is what we're looking at. Now if you keep an eye out on the west coast, you're going to see some precipitation. That's the storm system. Okay. So this energy is coming out, low pressure will strengthen down here into Kansas here. This is noon. Any precipitations off to the west. and it will start to move into Odessa, Odessa about 3. Now, initially, we're going to have some dry air in place, so the precipitation needs to saturate the atmosphere before it reaches the ground. That'll take a little bit of time, but by the time you get into dinner time, there should be enough saturation in the atmosphere that it should be reaching the ground. And the main precipitation type for us will be the sleet. I'll go ahead and be playing this. This is midnight, mostly sleet. Could be a couple of snowflakes mixing in, especially as you get towards 6 a.m. on Sunday is when we could start seeing some more snow mixed in with it. And then as you work your way to around noon, that's when it should start to switch over from west to east. So Green Valley, Oak Grove, switch over shortly after noon. Odessa a little bit after that. And then you folks out in western Lafayette County, definitely by 3 p.m. Probably around 2 o'clock, it'll switch over to all snow. In the next map I want to show you is not really a map, but a graph from the National Weather Service here. This is from the National Forecast Database here. And what it does is it breaks down precipitation type hour by hour. And as you can see, precipitation possible starting afternoon. Maybe some light freeze and drizzle early on. Again, we got to saturate the atmosphere, but once it's saturated, then more heavier precipitation will fall. And then by 5 o'clock, we'll see mostly sleet taking over for us up here in Jackson and Lafayette County. It'll be mostly sleet with some freezing rain mixing in. And then at times a little bit of snow. Around 10 o'clock, there could be a little snow coming down. And then as you work your way to about 6 a.m., you're going to see more snow mixing in with the sleet. So Sunday morning will be mostly sleet and some snow. And then as you work your way into the afternoon, around noon to about 2 or 3 o'clock, we'll be switching over to all snow. Now, if it switches over to snow sooner, then we could get more snow, about a foot here in Oak Grove and Odessa. But if it's delayed and we get mostly sleet, a little bit less snow. So it's going to be a tricky forecast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with the National Weather Service weather information for Odessa. And so this will break down in detail the forecast from the National Weather Service.
I can't do it. No. No. And I would do anything, my love. I'd run right into hell and back. Oh, I would do anything, my love. I never lie to you, and that's a fact. But I'll never forget the way you feel right now. No, no way. And I would do anything, my love. Oh, I would do anything, my love. Oh, I would do anything, my love. But I won't do that. No, I won't do that. And some days it don't come easy. easy, and some days it don't come hard. Some days it don't come at all, and these are the days that never end. And some nights you breathe and fire, and some nights you're carved in ice. Some nights you're like nothing I've ever seen before. I will again, and maybe I'm crazy, oh it's crazy and it's true. I know you can save me, no one else can save me now but you. As long as the wheels are turning, as long as the fires are burning, as long as your dreams are coming true, you better believe it, that I would do anything for love. And you know it's true, and that's a fact. Oh, I would do anything for love, and there'll never be no turning back. But I'll never do it better than I do it with you. So long, and I would do anything for love. Oh, I would do anything for love. I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. Oh no, no, I won't do that. Oh, I won't do that. No, I won't do that. I would. Oh, I would. Oh, you know. Oh, you know. Oh, you know. I would do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of. Let me tell you now. I do. But I'll never stop dreaming of you every night of my life. No way. And I would do anything for love. Oh, I would do anything for love. Oh, I would do anything for love. But I won't do that. I won't do
Will you
that.
raise me up? Will you help me down? Will you get me right out of this God-forsaken town? Can you make it all a little less old?
I can do that. I can do
Will you hold me
that.
sacred? Will you hold me tight? Can you colorize my life? I'm so sick of black and white. Can you make it all a little less cold?
I can do that. Oh, I can do
Will you make me
that.
some magic with your own two hands?
Oh, baby, now.
Can you build an emerald city with these grains of
right
sand? Can you give me something I can take home?
I can do that. I can do that.
Cater to every fantasy I got. Will you hose me down with holy water if I get too hot? Would you take me places I've never known?
I can do that. I can do that.
After a while, you'll forget everything. It's a brief interlude and now midsummer night fling, and you see that it's time to move on.
I won't do that. No, I won't do
I
that.
know the territory I've been around. It'll all turn to dust and we'll all fall down sooner
high.